In this video, we'll guide you how to connect the Smart Cart app to your Shopify store, enabling Smart Cart upsells, dynamic cart features, and a smoother cart to checkout experience. Step 1. Install the app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Shiprocket Smart Cart. Click Install, then select Get Started. Choose a pricing plan based on your monthly order volume and approve the subscription. Step 2. Enable Smart Cart on your theme. Select the Shopify theme where you want to activate the Smart Cart. Click button Setup, navigate to App Embeds, enable Shiprocket Smart Cart and click Save. Important. If any third-party slide cart is already active on this theme, disable it to avoid conflicts. Step 3. General Cart Configurations. Open Configurations to access the Smart Cart dashboard. In General Settings, customize cart background and header styling, theme and highlighted colors, discount section and savings banner, and promotional banners. This ensures your cart matches your brand identity. Step 4. Configure the progress bar. Set up a dynamic progress bar to increase cart value. You can create milestones based on cart amount or item quantity. Unlock rewards such as free shipping, free gifts, percentage or fixed discounts, and buy X get Y offers. Keep milestone messaging short and thresholds realistic for maximum impact. Step 5. Customize the Buy Now CTA. Go to the CTA settings and customize button color, size and text, font style and branding, optional promotional stickers like fast checkout or limited offer. Step 6. Enable cart upsells. Turn on Upsell on cart to promote additional products. Create upsell rules based on all products, specific products, and product collections. Multiple upsell rules can be set to increase the average order value. Final check and go live. Preview your Smart Cart on mobile and desktop to ensure everything looks perfect. Your Shiprocket Smart Cart is now live and ready to convert more carts into orders.